Using the pH Tulipon. In every pack of 8 comes with 1 pH Tulipon. When to use? We recommend that you use the pH Tulipon on your lightest flow days in order for your blood not to affect the accuracy of the test. How to identify the pH Tulipon? Go ahead and find the packaging with the color scale on it. Then open it up just like you would any other Tulipon. And on our applicator, this one specifically, you will find a white dot. Go ahead and insert the Tulipon facing upward as you would with any other device. Now, after removal, take the applicator, do not discard it yet, and line it up against the color scale, as so. Take a photo, upload it onto our app. This way you can receive accurate results of what your pH level is. Then, just like you would with any other applicator, toss it into the toilet and flush it away.